What if I told you that by 2025, affiliate marketing will be a $15 billion industry? And the best part? You don't need a huge following, expensive ads, or even your own product to get started. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to scale to pro level, this video will give you the exact blueprint to succeed in 2025. Stay tuned as we begin our journey to Affiliate Marketing 2025, Beginner to Pro Guide. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. No inventory, no customer support, just pure profit. And in 2025, it's getting even bigger thanks to AI, social commerce, and automation. This is the step-by-step beginner's guide on it. Pick a profitable niche. Forget saturated niches like weight loss. 2025's hottest areas are AI tools, sustainable products, and digital nomad essentials. Please join the best affiliate programs. Top networks: Amazon Associates, Allison, for beginners. ClickBank, high-ticket digital products. And CJ Affiliate, brand diversity. Step 3, choose your platform. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or a simple blog. Pick one and dominate. This is free traffic hacks. Use SEO, Pinterest pins, and viral Twitter threads will explode in 2025. What can I do to go pro? Scaling to pro level. Scaling to pro level. Let us begin the journey together. 1. Advanced traffic strategies. Use AI tools like ChatGPT DeepSeek to write high-converting content in seconds. 2. Email and retargeting funnels. Collect emails with free lead magnets and turn followers into buyers. 3. Negotiating higher commissions. Once you are making sales, ask for 50 to 70% commissions. Most brands will say yes. Top affiliates make $50K plus month doing this. Yes, up to 1 million Naira per month. If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing in 2025, here's what to do next. 1. Drop a comment below, 2025 if you're ready to start. 2. Like this video, it helps YouTube push it to more people. 3. Subscribe, I drop weekly strategies to get you to $10,000 per month. 4. Share with a friend because success is better with a partner. Join some of our affiliate link in the description box.